Okay, good. Look, it's going crazy. I didn't know that they would start Carnival right now. So up there, people are dancing this thing. They're going all the way to the other side. Hey Kevin, how are you? Look, we're at the beach. I switch the beach because this one. Let's Carnival together. It's crazy. It's a lot of people. We're gonna go when I'm going back home, but it's just too crazy. They just passed. They went all the way to that side. Let's see if I can show. They are there. See a lot of people that side. And then here. Also there before. How are you guys? Hi Kevin. Yes, the Carnival parade. But it's not the official one, it's a more simple one. But it's very crazy. This is my bag. How are you guys? Evazinha, New York, how are you? Slowly put yourself together. It's still very cold for you, your pass. We are at the beach in the Carnival time. Actually, Carnival is... Hello! Yeah. Carnival starts technically on Friday, but they already start celebrating today. It's not cold now, but I'm warming me slowly. Oh my god, you're past. How many hours did you stay outside in the cold? Oh my god. How? Hello Herta. If you guys reading anything, I won't be able to see because I'm using this app and I can't usually see what is reading. If I count preparation 10 hours. What time did you start? Hey Herta. What time did you start? Hug, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the hug. And then the city is just so crazy. Hey, I end up not being able to go to many places because of the Carnival. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That's a different thank you, right? It's a variation of our thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Hola. No, no é Rio. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Yeah, I'm wearing the same bikini from the morning. Yes. 10, 11 may prepare this 2 and then 2, 6 or 7. Oh, no, no. No way about that. Oh my god. Now she looks the girl very funny. I'm just afraid if a lot of people start coming here. Because I see a lot of there. Ah, eu não posso falar onde eu tô, né? Não é muito seguro. Tall and tan, young and lovely girl from with my never go. Hello, how was the game? Artwork music. You know, one thing I don't know if we are able to see if the sun sets this side of the country or it's the other side. They play everything. Oh my. Tem muita gente por causa do carnaval. It is really hot today. Yes. I don't know, 40, almost 40. I was thinking to go to the water, but I can't leave my stuff here. Eu tô no carnaval. And you're drinking beer. And you had a slight breeze of 0. Oh my. And for me, it's like so hot. Jajab, hello. Hi, can you put the black sheeps are not there? Have a drink? You never, oh yes, never. What is going on? How was the game? Evazinha. No, in Portuguese, we always put the zinha like to make it sound like smaller, like little Eva would say Evazinha. You never drink. Your past I never saw your past drinking beer. Especially on his streams. No, he never even tried different types of beer on his streams. Pick one not taking. Hello. Always. Oh, you're having wine? Never saw you drinking. Ah, getting drunk on stream? Never. Pick one not taking. Gonna start another car and then the people follow behind. Solzinho. In the case sol, it is like if it is a masculine word for us, so sol. So we got solzinho. We see the sol in a masculine form. I don't know how to explain. So it is solzinho. 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 Sozinho is alone. If you want to say like small, little son. And then sozinho it is I got confused because today I'm streaming. Oh, ciao, amore mio, come stai? I'm only streaming using my phone because I was not feeling very safe to bring my tablet to the beach. Here in Brazil is not a good idea. No, it's a different one. You see now it's more like this beach is it's less people. Thank you for follow. It's less people here. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I thought here would be better. Bene. Show for the stream, yes. Ah, sim. Thank you. Yes, I decided to come to a less crowded beach, and this one has a little bit of waves. Pouco pouquinho, pouco pochino, pochito, pochino. This one is very... No, the one I was earlier was crazy. Cat sounding. Pouquinho. Linda, muito linda. Lindona, muito linda. Obrigada. Pouquinho. But here it's a lot of people. Especially now it's getting nicer. Thank you for fall. Now the weather is getting nicer. Because it's... Oh, there's... Lots of background music. Just now, I don't think this video will go to my YouTube. Então, aqui todo mundo acha que eu sou estrangeira. Here, everybody thinks I am a foreigner. Tem samba de fundo e agora mudaram, ó. Yes, actually I'm not gonna be able to post on my Twitch, but it will be in the YouTube channel. I got a massage, Kevin. I did a foot massage. No, I can't have it on my Twitch. Eles acham que eu sou gringa pela minha cor. They think I'm foreigner because of my color. Made from honey? Oh my god, do you have this card? Can you post a picture? They massaged my leg foam. It was crazy. It was just amazing. And then I bought this and I spent all my money. Kevin, I want more massage. That was not enough. I had to do it again. It's a local brand. Oh, I would love to see. Yeah, I don't know if it's real, if they just, I don't know. I think I overpaid for this. But I'm gonna use it while I'm at the beach. I'm gonna use it every day. Because then they don't come to offer me because they see me wearing. Thank you. Oh look, we have more people. Não, eles acham que eu sou brasileira, gringa que fala português. por causa do meu acento. Thank you for follow. They think I'm for you that speaks Portuguese because my accent is not like they are used to here. No, I only buy food and I can't buy anything anymore. It's over. Don't think you're gonna drink on stream. Why? Year past, I always drink on stream. I got drunk once in the stream on the New Year's. She speaks Portuguese. She has a thank you for following. I speak with people and they're like, thank you for following. They're not, you know. And then I was planning to come to the beach a little bit later, but I'm afraid to walk back to the hotel by myself. To the Airbnb, I didn't go to the hotel because the city is full booked. Not my fault. It is your fault, Kevin. But I have to say, after 12 hours in the car, that massage was amazing. You don't drink? No, your past never drinks on stream. Actually, he don't drink. And he don't even know what beer is. I want to do yoga, but I don't know, now it's too many people here. I thought it was more private. I will wait. Eva, you're amazing. Like, you don't even have to take your phone. I do, I'm sorry. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Todo bien? He only drinks and drives. That's all he does. And he drives better, right? I'm not saying that you should, but playing the game, I mean, when he plays GTA. He never drinks. Kevin never drinks. No. He never has beers in his house, especially when we go there. No. Wow, they are doing the can we hear? I don't know. Show us. Okay, I will just take my bag and then we go. Hello. Okay. No, it's the wait, I will just take my bag with me. And I will show you guys the parade a little bit. I will wear my shorts. Yes. A little bit there, okay? I need to grab my bag. We'll see if we don't leave our bag. I hope my stuff will be there. I forgot the Havaianas. Can you believe I forgot my Havaianas? Let me go really fast. I'll just show you guys a little bit and then I have to go. gotta go. We gotta go down really fast. Because I left my stuff. It's all there. So now every hour this group of people goes, they pass dressing a different cosplay and playing a different music. Wow, this was really fast. And I did it. My brother he is in the different side, but he's here. Clowns for me, yes. In the morning it was very sunny and nice, but now my brother, he's with his friend and they wanted to stay in the other side. I'm usually fast, I know. But you guys saw, right? Or was that too fast? What is amazing Brazil? People steal your stuff, and when Brazilians catch someone stealing, they beat them up really bad. Thank you. Yeah, I couldn't stay there. I'm sorry, but if I leave everything, I would come back. And this girl, when I went up, she showed her middle finger to me. I felt a little bit afraid because she looks local, and you know, usually on this time of the year, people get really drunk and they do stupid things. And then I went up, she showed her. Oh, okay. And I'm afraid, you know, maybe she will. I don't know what goes on to those people's mind. I didn't know. And then I looked. I'm wearing glasses, right? So she can't see my eye. I just looked to make sure it was for me. She was following me with her finger while I was going up the stairs. That's why I was afraid that maybe she would come and take my stuff or do something stupid. So I came down really fast. Especially, I think because I'm speaking English, so she probably thinks I'm not from here. But yeah, this is Brazil. Hi. Please, Kevin, I'm waiting for you. I miss Kevin with his bike being drunk around. Yeah, I know. I don't understand. She should be more respectful. But and she was with this guy, so I just, you know, walk away. Tá. Eu acho que eu vou embora.
O cara falou que se não quer qualquer momento pode rear.
Eu acho que eu vou embora.
Então vou esperar você aqui, tá?
Tá, eles já estão indo?
Não, eles estão tirando a Summer do mar.
Tá. I don't know, because my phone was the other way, and when she saw me from far, she was already. Maybe, yeah, that's. Maybe maybe. My brother is here. I think maybe yes, she thought I was filming her, but I wasn't. So my brother told me, thank you, that I should be going home because it's gonna rain. And we have a long walk to our Airbnb, and I don't want to walk by myself because it is like far. Yes, everybody's filming. A lot of people here working, you know, like TV, everything. Right. Actually start running. I won't be able to film because I don't have umbrella. It started raining right now. I will, and my phone it's gonna get wet. I just fell in one drop of water. Hi. Thank you. Tomorrow I will stream very early because I notice people don't come too early to the beach, so I will be very early at the beach. Where is she? Brazil. The raindrops are falling on your head. And it is. Yes, that's why I'm running. Everything's gonna be wet. I didn't brought a plastic bag. Only I have my bag. I will ask someone here for a plastic bag. Thank you. Oh my God, the rain started. The rain starts. No, it's a different one. This one is not so crowded. Guys, I will have to run. The rain started. Guys, let's run. Oh my God, it's raining. Babe, what's going wrong? Luckily, I came here earlier with my brother and I managed to swim a little bit. But now, I'll have to. Now I'll have to put my phone in my bag for saving reason. I will go from down because up there people are getting really crazy. So I will walk here at the beach. It's easier and less people. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I will be back tomorrow earlier, so we have a nice weather and less people too. I love you all. Bye.